Welcome to our video demonstration of Vauxhall's anti-collision warning system. What we're going to do is hop in the car, take it for a drive. I'll show you how it works, and then when we get back I'll explain a few other further bits. Okay, so now that we're looking at the dials for the car, what we're going to be doing is taking the car out for a drive in a moment. You can see we're stationary at this point in time, and hopefully you'll see some warnings come up on here to alert you of any cars that are too close to you in front. That could be parked cars or cars that are actually in motion on the road. So let's take the car for a drive and we'll see if we can get that warning to come up so you can see how it works. So now that we're back from our drive, you will have seen for yourself how clear and easy the warning is. If you'd like to come and try this system out for yourself, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.